Alright, let's get these hands on. 453. Let's go.
Resident Evil 4.
Continue. Let's get a good search going. Locked in. I don't know if that's gonna hurt me later on. Goes into the woods.
¡Un forastero!
I gotta make it through Pueblo here. Pueblo. Oh boy. Let's see. I guess no one's safe here.
¡Os voy a romper a pedazos! ¡Un forastero! ¡Avisad a los demás! ¡Te cogí!
I know that guy. Ooh, that was quick. He's not out. Ammo. Alright, let's go to Pueblo. Red pants. My buddy.
Leon, how you holding up?
Bad question, Hunnigan.
Sorry to hear that. Hope you find it useful.
I'll take a look at it, thanks.
What did she say? Useful information. Da, 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 da. Okay, not this. Alright, let's just go. So there's no button like the game. And this is the game. I made it. Wait a minute. That hurt. Whoa, hey, ready? What do you? They're sprinting.
¡Por allí! ¡No dejes que se escape!
Sprinting.
Vayan por detrás.
Who are these people?
¡Bloqueale el
What
paso!
are they planning? Chainsaw.
I gotta trust these wrist straps.
Shit.
¡Te voy a matar!
Son of a...
Alright, so I'll push this here. Alright, there we go. Give me that. No ammo over in here. Okay, so oh, snap. Oh, snap. Too long, too long. Nice. Oh, I'm goner. I'm a goner. You dead. Me dead. Let's try that again. Come on, baby. Hey, acá. Con él. There's nothing in here. Maybe I can go get that chicken. This. Uh-oh. Nothing here.
Pero no puedes esconder.
Snap turn is messing with me. Uh-oh. Why snap turn? Where is it coming from? Uh-oh. Juke him.
¡Por allí! ¡No dejes que se escape!
Vayan por detrás. Why are these people?
Okay. That door shut. You didn't have time? Okay, doors. Everything's closed. There you go, bud. Alright. I'll just center myself up here. I'll get that shotgun. Go and get the shot.
¡Te voy a hacer picadillo!
Run! My guy, come on. Oh no. There we go. Jumped over there. Come on now. Stop changing my view. What is this? Oh snap. barely surviving. Give me that money. Alright, come on. Let's go. Let's go, let's go. Uh-oh. How about this speed? Oh, what is going on? I gotta collect the eggs or something? It's close in here. Uh-oh. Gotta make it a certain time limit or something.
Te voy a hacer picadillo. ¡Sos cerdo! ¡Es que se escape! ¡Te voy a hacer picadillo!
A whole other room in here. Oh, shotgun shells.
Puedes correr, pero no puedes esconder.
¡Voy a hacer picadillo!
And let's open this door. Alright, I might have to... Oh, snap. Oh, snap. Snap, 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 snap. No more. Oh, snap.
La campana.
Sheesh.
Es hora de
I made it.
Tenemos
Alright, we're gonna
que
take a break
irnos.
after that one. Good Lord, Johnny.
Sattler.
Where's everyone going? Bingo?
Resident Evil.
Hunnigan, I have some bad news. I've confirmed the body of an officer. Something's happened to the people here.
Ooh-wee.
Leon, you need to get out of there. Look
Right
for
away.
a tower and follow the trail near it.
Got it.
Look for a tower, eh? Oh, excellent. Okay, so I still gotta go there. And they won't be holding the door. What's this? A typewriter right there. Where's this typewriter? Oh, something. I'm gonna need it. Map. Typewriter's out and to the left. Behind me. Was there something else over here? No? Oh, okay. So I can't save? Let's look at this map. Yep, it's a typewriter in there. It's not gonna let me in, I guess. I'm gonna take that though. Okay, now let's go. Okay, here we go. Alright, let's move forward. Nothing in there. Nothing in here. And nothing in here. Looks like we have a winner. Let's get up on that farm. Ooh, I've never been this far. This is all new. Nice. Okay, let's explore. Guess I want to get that anyways. People over here tripping this time, man. I am peace hour. What do these eggs do? KMCY. Oh, I can read it. "15 blue medallions, 7 in the farm, 8 in the cemetery. For those of you who destroy 10 or more will be awarded." Okay, so destroy them things, I guess.
¡Un forastero!
Oh, thought we were friends. You gotta come through? No. Attacked by the chick. Look for the tower. Brown egg. Alright, that's in the direction we need to go. There, that direction. So to my right. A little bit. Ooh, there's a save over here. Let's get that typewriter. Yes, sir. Clickety clack. Pushed override. Sure. Kenny. Okay, well. Touched my couch and it felt like I was touching a real chicken.